What's going on, guys? Dujo here, coming at you guys with a brand new video. In this video today, guys, I'm going to be going to Cayuga, the drag strip. It's going to be my first time going to the drag strip ever, and with me today I'm going to be bringing the 335 single turbo. It's also going to be the single turbo's first time on the drag strip, but unfortunately, guys, I'm not really the most prepared. I'm still on a street tire with not much tread, but hopefully it should be pretty good because I heard the track there is really grippy, so the street tire should do just fine. I'm just gonna try to see the best I could do on the drag strip, try to get some good launches in without dumping the clutch too hard. I'm gonna be trying to slip the clutch a lot today because I'm not towing the car, I'm driving up there, so I want to be able to drive it home after and not break any axles. So I hope you guys enjoy. We're going to be leaving in like 10 minutes. I'm going to start cruising out there. We're going to be meeting up with Fahim with the E36 M3 single turbo and a couple of his buddies, and we're going to cruise out there together. So we'll catch you guys there. We got the E36 in front of us, and we also have another 335 up ahead joining us. And there's another CTSV behind us. Just a little bit behind. I don't know if you guys can see him. We're about, I would say 30 minutes out right now. We're almost there, guys, so it's gonna be a sick day. Got the M3. I got some, Erwin brought me his 19s in case I need some spare tires, guys. Got them in the back there. Also got some helmets for the track. What's going on, guys? So we're currently waiting in line at the strip right now. We got quite a few cars in front of us, not too many. As you guys can see, Fahim with his E36 is already up there. And guys, we're just currently waiting right now to make my first ever pass on a drag strip with any car. Like, this is the single turbo's first time, 335 on the drag strip, but it's also my first time too, and especially with a manual, so it's gonna be a little tricky trying to dial in that 60-foot, but it's all for fun, guys. We're here learning. It's a great experience, and let's see how good I'm interested to see what I could run personally, not the car, because I know the car could run a good number, but I want to see personally what I can run. Oh my God, he's spinning. Do I have to go right when the light turns green? This is my first time here.
No.
Okay.
That, until you move, the timer don't start.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you get down the other end. There's a blue building there. Have you ever been here?
No.
Okay. building.
Okay.
You're number 16.
Okay.
Get out of your car. Walk up. There's a little printer. Prints out 2 little time slips of gravel.
Okay.
It'll say 1-6 on the top.
1-6 on the top? Okay. You're recording that? Stop.
That's where you want to be. Yeah, roll your windows up.
Oh, okay.
Is it zoomed in? Yeah.
Look at the smoke behind us.
Got all the cars lined up, guys. We just had lunch. I'm about to go tackle the drag strip again. I'm very determined to get that good pass, guys. Got my build over here. Got a full bolt-on 335 over here. Crazy LS swap on this M3. And then you guys know Fahim's single turbo. Sick lineup today, guys.
We're spraying down the track, guys.
Now, this thing makes way too much power. You know how to slip the clutch?
Yeah, I revved it way too high.
Running through everything, eh?
Yeah, well,
That's
you're the only car that's spun through everything.
Yeah.
That's what I'm getting at.
So I'm gonna try to just
Just ease
slip
it
it
out.
at like 4,000, 3,000. I did like 6,000 that time.
I would just ease it out.
Ease
Like
it,
not even
go
try to
easy.
launch it out of there.
I would leave it 3,000, ease it out,
Okay.
and then get
And
on.
then
it.
get
'Cause
on
Once
it.
you get rolling,
Yeah.
it won't spin as much.
Oh,
Yeah.
look up.
You never had a chance. You pulled a gear, it was still spinning.
Yeah,
Like it never even tried
Oh
to
my
slow
god.
down. It got more wheel speed. It probably, would you say 260?
I
Yeah.
hit 280.
Yeah, there you go. I know it was fucking.
All right, thank you. We're recording.
Yeah, we're recording.
What do you do next?
Lower it.
Yes. No!
What's going on, guys? Dujo here. So I hope you just enjoyed the footage of me at the drag strip for the very first time and some of the track footage that I threw into the montage. I'm sorry that some of the footage in the montage was recorded with my iPhone just because I was in the car and I couldn't take my camera out, so I had Erwin in the passenger recording with his phone. But other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video overall though. So I didn't even show you guys what I ended up running. So over here on my slip, I'll tell you guys. So my car was number 16. In the quarter mile, I ran a 13.5 at 118 miles per hour. And where's my 60 foot? My 60 foot was really bad, guys. It was a 2.6. So I feel like if I really could have worked on the 60 foot and dialed in a proper launch with like a launch control or like an anti-lag or something and try to like get the launch dialed in with some better tires and not spin through any gears, I feel like I could definitely get a way better time than this. But it's my first time at the drag strip. I told you guys I was on the street tires with not much tread, as you guys saw in the one clip where I was just spinning because I revved it. I dumped it way too high. I tried to slip it, but it was just too much RPM and it ended up just spinning the wheels and it was not good. So here. Oh, it's coming out backwards. It's on a 61 millimeter journal bearing on 3 single turbo at 20 psi on pump gas. So the car was probably only making around 500 wheel, I think, guys. High 400s, 500 wheel. So I'm basically just gonna talk about it right now, guys. So a lot of people have been commenting, why am I only running 20 psi? Why am I only on pump gas? The first thing I want to address is I'm on a 61 millimeter turbo journal bearing, and I live in Canada, so we don't have access to E85 pumps. So in order for me to run E85, I would have to do a blend of like E60, more power in the higher blends. But in order for me to do that, I had to order flex fuel. I got a flex fuel kit, and I actually had to upgrade to a higher low pressure fuel pump. I went to a stage 3 low pressure dual 450s so that I could get all the fueling I need and not starve anything. The mod that I got, guys, but I didn't install yet, was my port injection, because we're gonna need a lot more fuel than just the direct injection. So I got the port injection rail from BMP that I'm gonna be installing with my flex fuel and the stage 3 fuel pump. So I don't know if I mentioned to you guys, I bought another On3 turbo off of Irwin, which is a 67mm dual ball bearing, and that turbo is going to be capable of making a lot more horsepower than the 61. So I'm going to be slapping that turbo on with all those other mods, and then mixing some E60, maybe even go full E sometimes. And I think you guys are going to like those videos, because those should be making the high horsepower that you guys want to see. My goal is to make around 700 wheel. Maybe if it's possible, if my engine's healthy, I can make 750. So we'll see what we can. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate all your support, guys. If you could share the video too, that'd be greatly appreciated. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.